Hi, my name is Janet Duran, Level 6 at Sena. The question is, have you ever traveled to Brazil? In this answer is possible, no, I haven't traveled, but my answer is yes, I had traveled to Brazil. For example, Salvador Bahia. In this country, the activities when you have traveled to Brazil, for example, Carnival, Christmas, and New Year. I have visited colonial churches, rainforests, island, and the saddest Brazil is the best place to swimming, snorkeling, and kayaking tours. It's fantastic. And also I have taken samba class. And I have eaten the traditional food Brazilian on Wednesday and Saturdays, feijoada, barbecue meat, and fried snacks. Enjoy every food and the best beer is there. It's all. See you.